you gonna buy, babe?
Hmm?
What you gonna get?
I'm looking. Oh my god, they sell Mountain Dew here. I gotta get a picture of that. That's funny. It looks different though. It does. It looks very different.
Really?
Yeah, I've never seen this before. Pepsi Fresh Shot.
Pressure. Pressure?
Fresh Shot. Refresh
Fresh
Shot.
shot, okay.
Refresh Shot.
That's Mountain Dew, you know that.
I know Mountain Dew. Lemon. Lemon.
Muscat cider.
Mm-hmm.
That's fruit test. Fruit. What? Fruity.
They have grape Fanta, but not lemon.
Yeah, that's Yun's favorite.
But not melon Fanta.
Yeah. Too bad.
I love that
How about
melon
the
Fanta.
other? Babe, this Real Gold is like Red Bull.
I know.
Real
And
Gold.
they also have this, the Zone.
What's that?
I've never
Zone?
seen it. Zone.
I don't know about that. It's energy drink. It's just energy drink.
Yeah.
Is Red Bull an energy drink too?
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say. And those blue things that Sean drinks, those are energy drinks too. So I mean, like, they're all similar.
Wow. It's all cold, babe. No hot. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. It's all cold. No hot. Argini.
100,
Argini.
200.
What did you get?
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah.
Hmm. Open it, babe.
I am.
Open it. How's it?
Very good.
Is it sweet?
Yep.
I have my candy.
Oh, that might taste a little weird.
Um,
You're recording me?
Babe, I'm going to pee.
Wait.
What?
I left the car running.
You can wait there. I'll be
Be
there.
silly.
You can wait. I'll be go. What? Careful.